That's not a oh.
That's not a oh.
I was thinking.
Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to share with you some of the scenes and sounds and sights of Pompeii. I can't really say that I have anything new to teach you about Pompeii. I mean, the place has been very well known, very well discovered. I mean, I think everybody knows that in the year 79 AD, Mount Vesuvius blew its top. It was a volcano that rained down ashes and a storm of lava onto Pompeii, completely covered the city. There was actually another eruption after that that completely covered the city. And so it was in the ground almost as soon as Pompeii was covered. Even in Roman times, they were trying to uncover it. There's known stories of thieves who went through and stole some of the marbles that used to be in the temples. But excavations went on throughout the Middle Ages. Into the 1800s was another significant excavation, and finally in the 1920s. But that's not what this video is about. This video is just about experiencing the site. And I think what was most surprising to me was just how things didn't change in Pompeii. In this, you'll see me going through houses and the roads and the sewers and just evidences of busy life. And it's just amazing to see what Pompeii was back in those days. So I'm going to start you out with us going on the train. There's a rickety old train that you pay like about €250. There was a bunch of gypsies playing in there, which I think just added to the ambiance of going to Pompeii, and us just walking through. Over here are the stepping stones. They were just low enough for the carriages to get through, and high enough so that the citizens didn't have to go through muddy water.
And you use them like this.
Uh-huh.
Boom.
And there's the entrance. Over there would have been the marina. Oops. Here at the Greenery. And this is one of the victims of the volcano, and all the pots used for water and rain. This was a dog that was a victim. It looks like he had a collar. So whoever dog this was, they knew who he was. And then over here, this victim, he knew what was coming. His face was covered and he was probably grasping for air before he died.
getting really hungry coming here to Pompeii. Where am I gonna get any food?
Hi, welcome to Pompeii. What would you like?
Can I get a McCaesar?
Sure. Let's get that. Here's your deep fried chicken.
Okay.
Fresh from Africa.
But you forgot my fried olives.
Ah, there you go. Stuffed
Okay.
with cheese.
Okay. Here's my 2 Caesars.
Thank you.
Gotta say, come again.
Come again.
That's not a. Oh. That's funny.
I was thinking.
Now at the house of Avetti. This is where the best preserved murals in Pompeii are held.
Sights and sounds of Pompeii. If you are ever in Italy, I hope you get the chance to go out there. Definitely make the trip out. It's really easy. You just go to Naples. You can do it in a day. That's what we did. We went out from Rome to Naples on the speed train, and then from Naples train station, you just go and take there's one metro line that goes out to Pompeii, and it's not very expensive. It's like €250, which is about $3 US. And make a day of it. For us, it was a half day, and then afterwards we did a little walk also in Naples. I have a video of that. If you want to see that, go to the Naples video. And we had pizza, so win-win, culture, pizza, you can't go wrong.